So this is a really simple schematic of what a vernal pool landscape looks like, and it's very simple. But essentially you can see there are subsoils at the bottom, and then there's an impervious hardpan layer, and then you can see something called a perched water table. And what happens is the rainfall collects above the impervious hardpan layer and sits there. And the perched water table occurs both in the places where there are depressions and in the uplands. And that water actually moves back and forth in the landscape between the uplands and the wetlands and serves as a buffer so that the vernal pools actually hold water longer than you would expect them to if the only thing that got into them was rainfall. And so that's an important part of the landscape, because once you penetrate the impervious hardpan layer, you actually can damage vernal pools for some distance away. This is a really simple diagram. It shows this sort of continuous impervious hardpan layer. That's really not what it looks like. This is a shallow stream cut that's going through part of a vernal pool landscape in eastern Sacramento County. You can see a top layer in this. You can see the vegetation on top. You can see a top layer in the soil that has very, very few rocks in it and is loose. And then you can see a very, very rocky layer